How to download Geometry Dash Lite version 2.2 on Android. For that, you first need to go to your settings and make sure that you're connected to your just go to your connections. Make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPNs. So just go to more connection settings, and as you can see here, I'm not connected to a VPN. Once you make sure you do that, just go back to your Play Store, scroll down until you see about this game. Go inside, and if you scroll all the way down, you can see the game info. As you can see, the version is 2.2.14, so that means it has already been updated to version 2.2, and it was last updated on 9th April 2024. The download size is 162 megabytes. The required OS is Android 5 or up, and you can see all of these details right here. So as you can see, the version is already 2.2 and above. So you can just simply tap on install, and your Geometry Dash Lite will be downloaded to your Android device. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.